Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to make your blog posts on WordPress blocksy wide width. Okay, so we're here, and in the previous video, we made our blog posts, all of them, narrow width. Let's go ahead and figure out how to make them wide width and maximize our screen space. Let's go ahead and click on Customize and open up the WordPress Customizer. And here we have our customizer, we have our left sidebar here with our options, and we have our preview here on the right hand side. Let's go under post types and click on a single post, and you can see we have 4 different options. We have narrow width, normal width, left sidebar, right sidebar. For now we're concerned with normal width, so let's click on that. And if we wanted to make this super wide, we can make the content area wide. All right. And if we're not satisfied with that, we can go up to General, click on Layout, and we have a bunch of options here, and we can change how offset our wide alignment is, right? We can make it, we can push it to the max, and we can change our content edge spacing. We can change our content area spacing. From the top, we can probably remove that. It's more vertical rather than wide. And then we can change our maximum site width. Keep in mind that these 3 options are global. And that looks about right. So let's go ahead and click on Publish and save our changes. We have our post here again, boxed and narrow width. Let's reload our site. And you can see we now have a wide blog post. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.